Bay Window Contractors in Tampa, Florida are your go-to experts for all your bay window needs. Whether you're looking for custom Bay Windows Tampa or energy-efficient Bay Windows Tampa, these professionals have the skills and experience to deliver top-notch results. With a focus on bay window installation and bay window replacement, they ensure that your home in Tampa benefits from the best bay window solutions available. Custom Bay Windows. Tampa offer a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles and bay window design options, you can choose the perfect bay window dimensions and bay window frame materials to match your home's architecture. From vinyl bay windows to wooden bay windows and aluminum bay windows, the customization possibilities are endless. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Tampa are a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These bay windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. With bay window glass options that include double or triple glazing, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy consumption and increased comfort. Bay window replacement in Tampa is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether it's a minor issue or a major replacement, bay window experts in Tampa can handle it all. Regular bay window maintenance ensures that your windows remain in top condition, providing you with the bay window benefits you expect. Affordable bay windows. Tampa don't mean compromising on quality. With a range of bay window solutions available, you can find options that fit your budget without sacrificing style or functionality. Bay Window Contractors in Tampa offer competitive pricing on bay window upgrades and bay window enhancements, making it easier than ever to improve your home. Bay window aesthetics in Tampa are a key consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal. With a focus on bay window customization, you can choose from a variety of bay window features and bay window styles to create a look that complements your home's design. From traditional to modern, the possibilities are endless. Bay window functionality in Tampa is enhanced by choosing the right bay window frame materials and bay window dimensions. Whether you're looking for a cozy reading nook or a bright, open space, bay windows can transform any room. Bay window experts in Tampa can help you select the best options for your needs, ensuring that your bay windows provide the functionality you desire. Bay window installation in Tampa is a seamless process when you work with experienced bay window contractors. They handle everything from the initial consultation to the final installation, ensuring that your Bay Windows Tampa are installed correctly and efficiently. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust that your bay window project is in good hands. Bay window replacement in Tampa is a great way to update your home's look and improve its energy efficiency. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or simply want to upgrade to a more modern style, Bay window experts in Tampa can guide you through the process. With a wide range of bay window glass options and bay window frame materials, you can find the perfect fit for your home.